Hello everybody, Wilton over here. A funeral director reached out. He's wondering what are some of the latest strategies to grow their acne calls. Are there any new strategies for 2022? And yes, we all love shiny metal things. We always love new things out there. But what's been proven to work are still these strategies. I would still highly recommend that you put a little more focus towards these proven strategies. And the best way to explain this is similar to a bullseye. If you are shooting at the bulls, right, shooting at the archery, at the target, you would always want to aim the center. Instead of shooting, right, what I've been seeing is many of the funeral directors or cemeterians, they do not know which strategies to grow their call volume. They shoot all over the place, right? So they will be aiming for these strategies out here, thinking that it's the bullseye. So if you think about the bullseye, how to grow your acne calls, you want to start from the center, which is going to be reviews. Your Google reviews, your online reputation is going to be the most critical. That's where you should start. If you got a lot of good positive reviews, more likely you're going to win that first phone call. That's why, and reviews are literally free, right? But you got to find a framework on how to ask for reviews. If you do not know how to ask for reviews from the acne families, ask the preneed families for reviews. They're happier. Then the next layer would be website. You got to make sure your website has more original content talking about who you are, what you do, how you're different, more unique selling proposition, more faces. Faces means trust, right? So that's the website. And the next layer is going to be Google. For imminent need, near need situation, if they do not know a funeral home nearby, they're going to Google. They might type in funeral home near me, they might type in cemetery near me, or they might type in cremation services in Miami. So these three strategies are still the main strategies. Start from the dead center, you gotta have more reviews. If you don't have a lot of good reviews, no matter how good the website is, no matter how much traffic there is, without good reviews, it doesn't do anything. Okay? So I would kind of start from the center, make sure you have good website, then open it up Google Ads, could be trying to get ranked locally and organically. Then these strategies out here, I'm not saying you shouldn't do those though. These are more interruption-based advertisement. These are a better way to call these. These are more top of mind awareness, which is good, right? If you want to brand your funeral home as the go-to funeral home, then you might want to use strategies out here. You're going to reach more people, right? If you look at the area here, you're going to reach more people. But, right, it still takes 7 touches before that message sinks in. But we all have limited ad budget. We all have limited marketing budget. Where do you put that money in? I would still say start from the center and then go radially out then, right? Make sure to exhaust each of these strategies, then move on to the next one, move on to the next one, move on to the next one, eventually move on to the next one. It's totally fine to skip sequences here, but you got to know, hey, these strategies up here is more to do with branding your funeral home, cemetery. So what I would do is, yeah, as long as you know, hey, I'm almost hitting a limit with Google, before you even hit that limit, then maybe start opening up strategies out here then. Or if you're currently doing most of your marketing dollars is spent on strategies out here. That's why, as long as you know these strategies are more to do with branding, maybe shift a little bit of those budget towards the bullseye, right? These are strategies that will generate better return on investment. So far, to answer that field director's question, what are the main strategies? Are there any shiny metals they should be focusing on? Not so far. Still front and center, go radio layout. There's definitely a lot more shiny metal strategies out here, but I would start front and center and go radio layout. If any questions, let me know.